Hey, my Legion, how y'all doing today? One thing I'm looking for is lunches. I can't find them anywhere. They're like selling out. A bunch of people are reviewing them. It's like combo product collab with Mr. Beast, Logan Paul, and CSI. Well, CSI, I think his name is. I could have it wrong. I don't know what element CSI has in the thing. No, I know Logan Paul has the Prime Drink, and they have the little Feastables bar from Mr. Beast, and that's about it. But I mean, I've been looking all over for them. I can't find them, and they were saying it's healthier than Lunchables, and then that sparked an interest in me reviewing some of these Lunchable type snacks to review. I never had those as a kid. I did a couple of reviews of those a long time ago, and I did like the chicken nugget Dunkables. I did that. The price is pretty good on some of these. I even got a giant, uploaded ones that were like over $4 from Lunchables. That might be the last one. I'll say that one for last. But here I got some from Taylor Farms. I guess they have the snack pack, so they're entering the whole thing about the Lunchables and stuff too. I got some stuff for Armored, and the price on that, I couldn't pass this up. This one was the most expensive, most I paid for any of these so far. This was $2.97. Taylor Farms turkey and cheese snack pack. But it also has a whole bunch of veggies you can dunk in there. With thing of Hidden Valley Ranch, you got broccoli. But the turkey and cheese is like a piece of cheese and turkey, like a Slim Jim or meat stick right there. It's like they have like the meat individually wrapped right there. And they have a bunch of carrots. Now, usually I don't do these, but with these, then we're going to go after nutritional information, because they said like the lunches is supposed to be more healthier than the Lunchables and stuff. When I do a lunchy, I'll do it, but I'll read off the nutritional information. You know, serving size, the whole container is 260 calories, 21 grams fat, 7 grams saturated fat, no trans fat, 45 milligrams cholesterol. I might have pronounced it wrong. 610 milligrams sodium. I think most of that's from the dressing, probably, and the cheese and the turkey. I don't think there's that much in the vegetables, but I mean the carbs might be. Total carbs 10 grams, 4%. Dietary fiber 3 grams, 11%. Total sugar 5 grams and no added sugar. That's 0% daily allowance. And then 9 grams protein, 17%. Let's see, vitamin D 0.2 megagrams. Calcium 210 milligrams. That's good. Iron 1.1 milligrams. Potassium 330 milligrams. That's good. Vitamin C, 21 milligrams, 25%. Potassium is 8%. Let's go ahead and try this out. And it said main ingredient is carrots, because they got it's mostly carrots, and I like carrots, so that's good. Let's open it up and try it out. Okay. So you like the cheese and, like I said, the cheese and turkey stick are individually wrapped, and these are not right here. This one's looking a little brown right there, and then you got the broccoli up top, and you got the Hidden Valley Ranch. I'm going to go ahead and try a piece of cheese with one of the broccoli florets, because usually if you have broccoli, it's really good with I've had like cheddar and cheese and broccoli. It goes together like hand in hand, really good with that. I'm going to have a bite of those two together. Hold on. I'll tell you what, that's really tough to get open, and these little teeny tiny tear notches at the top or at the bottom are not cutting it. I'd use a knife to open this up. So I don't know, the kids take this to school, they might have a tough time opening it up. Try a little bit of broccoli. Very fresh. Got a little bit of cheese. I don't know, broccoli and cheese go together okay. Broccoli by itself, on the sour side. It definitely needs dipped. The cheese is, the broccoli by itself probably like a 4 out of 10, just in its raw state. But cheese ain't bad. I get cheese like a 5.5 out of 10. Let's try the turkey out. I'll open up the turkey. Like I said, these little, there are no notches in this one. Oh, teeny tiny ones. Look at that. I don't know if you can see how teeny tiny these notches are. They're not going to work. They're not going to tear that easy. I have to use a knife on that, but I'll try it. Be back. Okay, the turkey, that was even tougher to open up than cheese stick was. I had to use my Swiss Army knife to open that up. So, I mean, I'm going to deduct a point for that, because if a kid's eating it at lunch, I would deduct that for just how tough those are to open up. Turkey stick's not bad smoked, too. That's like a, like 7.5 out of 10 right there. Okay, let's open up the ranch. I'm going to try a carrot by itself. Those are good. Looks like a flavor explosion on them. 8 out of 10 for them. Let's open up the Hill Valley Ranch and dip the veggies in it. Okay, let's dip the broccoli in there. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Just needs a dip. I like broccoli. That's by itself in its raw state. It's only okay. Dip. I like a 7 out of 10. Let's try the cheese dipped. I mean the carrots dipped. Oh yeah. That's probably the best thing right there. I like what's that. I like that a lot. And I like 8 out of 10. I mean, 8.5 out of 10. Really good. I'm going to dip the cheese and the turkey in there too. Hold on real quick. Okay, let's dip the cheese real quick. About 5.5 out of 10. Dip the turkey in there too. Yeah, I like it. 7.15 out of 10. Overall, the dressing, salad dressing, Hidden Valley Ranch is pretty good. It's like a 7 out of 10. Overall, I'd probably give us like 8 out of 10, but because these are so tough to open up, and then my kids' lunch, I'll probably take it down to a 7. Because that's my review of the Taylor Farms Turkey and Cheese Snack Pack. So, the best thing is the carrots and the dipping sauce, you know. Alright, so overall I give it a 7 out of 10. There you have for the Taylor Farms Turkey and Cheese Snack Pack. Hope you like this review, buddy. Till next time, please take care, my legion. And if you know where to get lunches, please tell me. At least like to try at least one of them. Alright. So till next time, bye, please take care, my legion. This video is also dedicated to Miller, who also did like a thing when he did like a veggies and ranch too. I'll probably tag him in this one too. I hope he likes the review. All right.
Get it. Get it.
Yeah. That's awesome. 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 It's awesome. You know, have we done this before? I don't think we have. That seems new. Hey, here's a video.
The killer awoke before dawn. He put his boots on. He took a face from the ancient gallery, and he walked on down the hall.
Let me just say, it's a Denny Green.
If you want to crown them, then crown their ass. But they are who we thought they were, and we let them off the hook.
How about that? I don't have to say it anymore. I know what you're saying. This ain't Burp Girl. But check out Jason Callan's channel anyway. Yeah, woo woo woo. Wrong guy. Just for you. Just stop it. Okay.
Jason Callan, your YouTube channel kicks ass. Everyone should go and subscribe to Jason freaking Callan, the hot sauce king pin of them all. Yeah.
Action shot. Action shot. 3D.